And it is through Abertha that the Native Americans will speak about a tidbit from the trail. So one moment, please. Singing, chanting, never wavered as we walked, for it is our nature. It is endowed within us that we do this, to speak our voices to nature, to speak our voices to the elements. For our heart is fed in this way. Our spirit shines in this way. We feed our spirit with these nutrients of song, of chant, so that we too can feel the elements within us. We too can become part of the earth, a part of the earth's song.